Today, mommy is celebrating her 57th birthday, and she invited me since last year, June. She said, Tintin, Adamu, that was she normally calls me. I want you to come to Anambra and sing Ebunifiada for me. And that is what I'm here for. Thank you all, thank you my fans. I know I have fans here. Am I right? Anambra, oh yeah! See, Nekuna Makata, Nana Bono Maparaja. Ya kamera bianzo biko. Sema ino ni yangu na Nnewichi na Anambra. Biko ina ya bifu na mda Anambra amaka. Hey. Onu meke nunu na dankano na kunego Ndị Igbo na-eje mba ma tụlụ ugo na tano Ada Igbo niile onu meke nunu Egwu wa begwada Egwu ndị ada Ani Igbo ayo welada Ụmụada Igbo Unu ndị Igbo jiri biri Ọ bụ na ịbụ ụmụada Igbo gị pụta n'ọgbọ Ada Igbo eje mọnụ Putaka ibalegu, putaka ibalegu. Isegem. Hey, abia na Igbo, Anambra welada. Abia na Igbo, Imo welada. Abia na Igbo, Ebonyi State welada. Abia welada, Enugu welada. Delta State welada. Aya na Anambra welada. Oka North and South Rancha welada. Aguata, Anielcha. Kunukofia, Ekusigo, Ayamelo, Adanjikota, Ihiala, Idemili North and South to Hancha Welada, Onisha North and South to Hancha Welada, Anambra East and West Hancha Welada, Obaro, Adoyi, Olumba North and South to Hancha Welada, Nnewi North and South to Hancha Welada, Kaiga Wimo, Ezi Hite, Ehi member no, Abombi says, he get to North and South to Hancha Welada, Owere North and West Hancha Welada, Oru East and West Hancha Welada, Okigwe, Njaba, Isi Alamba no, Obo, Okuta, Adihite, Adolo, Adankwere, Wangele, Onimo. river.